Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're gonna fly over abandoned submarine base located in Hara Harbor, Estonia. A secret military facility was established in Hara Bay, Estonia on September 12, 1953. Throughout its existence, this facility underwent several name changes. Since 1968, it served as the first range of the Naval fleet. From 1984, it became the first research range for the protection of ships from non-contact mine torpedo weapons. Since 1988, it transformed into the scientific research and testing range for the stealth and protection of ships. Over the 40 years of its existence, the range researched and processed about 1,000 ships and submarines. After the withdrawal of Soviet troops from Estonia in 1993, the range fell victim to looting. However, even now the powerful reinforced concrete structures of the range, located near Hara Island, leave a strong impression. It would be intriguing to decipher what and how worked here. A few facts about what really happening on this submarine base. In military purposes, demagnetisation of ships is used to reduce the probability of detonation on magnetic or induction mines. The term first used during the Second World War by the commander of the Canadian Naval Reserve, Charles F. Goodeve, who sought protection against German magnetic mines that caused serious damage to the British fleet. In the early days of the Great Patriotic War, the problem of demagnetizing ships for protection against magnetic sea mines in the Soviet Union was addressed by E. V. Kurchatov. In August 1994, Kurchatov and A. P. Alexandrov organized the demagnetization of the ships of the Black Sea Fleet in Sevastopol. The LFTI system they created was installed on more than 100 ships and provided complete protection against German magnetic mines. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, keep traveling and discover your legations. Bye bye.